Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to access saved clipboard items in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Android mobile. Okay, here you can see I'm using my Samsung keyboard. This is available on Samsung keyboard and Google keyboards. Okay, so you can see here there is option, it is called clipboard. Okay, if you are using first time, tap on that, then this will be asked for your permission to record of all of your copying text. Okay, click OK, then continue, then you will get this kind of page. Okay, so here is the things. So we can whenever you are typing, that menu will be gone. So how to reach clipboard? It is very simple. Click on three dots. Okay, you can click on three dots, then you can select from here. Also select you can simply add items from here. Okay, just drag and drop. So that's the settings. And whenever we click the clipboard, you can see what is your copied in your phones in recent times. And there is more than 50 text it will be have. And also you can simply pin some comments that you are using daily. So you can see here I'm pinned 3 comments, 2 prompts, 1 text. Okay, so in this way you can simply pin comments and you can simply reach that by using this clipboard. And it is very useful whenever you are copying a username or password or email address with some multiple email address. You can simply copy, then that will be come to a clipboard and you can simply paste from here. So this clipboard function does not support in iOS. You can see you know that because of I'm purchasing this S25 Ultra, one of the reason that I need clipboard. So iPhone have no clipboard support. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.